going to start off, and we are not starting in Photoshop this time. What we're going to be doing is we're going to be colorizing a historical image. So the first thing we have to do is find a historical image. To do that, we're going to start off in the Launchpad. So you're going to go to your internet and you're going to go to Launchpad, and we're going to use the Macavia database. So open this up. You might have moved it someplace else. I moved mine to a different folder, but find it in your Launchpad. We're going to scroll down to Database, right over here, Databases. Then we are going to go to the Image Database. So scroll down until we see the Britannica Image Quest. That's the one we're going to be using, and you open that one up. Then you're going to find a historical image somewhere between about 1850 to about 1950 is when things were in black and white. So that is after the invention and common use of photography, but before color photography became like prevalent, became commonplace. So now what we're going to do is we're going to search for an image. Pick a historical thing that you want to have an image about. It could be the Civil War, the Progressive Era, the Industrial Revolution, women's suffrage, which is the women's right to vote, the labor movement, the Great Depression, Prohibition, World War I, World War II, are all going to be in that time frame. So let's do World War I. Now there's going to be a ton of things here. And what you can do is just scroll through and find one that you want to colorize. Now, remember, you are colorizing this. You are having to choose a new color. So for things that really complex images like this are going to be really complicated. So a simpler image like this might not be, might be something that you want to do. If it's already been colorized, we're not doing that one. So look through and find something. Now, if you're like, actually what I really want is a World War I tank. Great, because as you can see, if I just put World War I end up with 4,172 images, and that is a little much. But if I know that I want a World War I tank, that might, well, it helps a lot because it's only 96 images. Now, this isn't even a photograph, it is a drawing, but that is a photograph. So maybe that is the one that I want to use. So I can open it. It gives me a little description right here, a title. I'm going to highlight that title and copy it. And I'm going to download that. Now this is in my downloads folder. Okay. So I'm going to show you how we're going to then open that in the next video.